Okay, so welcome back to this module. So on this module, we're going to teach you how to, I'm going to teach you how to install your theme, right? So what is a theme basically? Because of course, for a theme to be understood, you need to be able to understand the entire idea around it. So what I'm going to show you now is what is very important around your WordPress website. So you have to be able to listen, shut out all the distractions. We're getting more advanced now, and I want you to just be able to follow this through without any headache at all. Right. So I'm going to explain what a WordPress theme basically means to you. So a WordPress theme is a group of files, graphics, style sheets, and code that dictates the overall appearance of your blog or website. Right. So whatever dictates or whatever determines the appearance or the visuals that you see on a particular website, especially when it's a WordPress website, it is called a theme, right? A theme. So your theme determines how your WordPress website will look. It determines how your website would be like. It determines the kinds of plugins that your WordPress website will start using, right? So you have to understand why this is very important, right? So I'm going to teach you how to install a theme and how to get your theme sorted. So there are three different ways, right, in which you can, install your themes or install your theme on a particular WordPress website, right? So let's get on board now, and I'm going to show you all that. So remember when we were, when I was introducing you to the admin area, I said that, look, what you need to understand is that this is appearance. Basically, of course, under appearance, you're going to see your theme, and here is it, right? So just go to themes, and then you would see what I want to show you. So like I said, I want to show you three options. So option one is this, right? So you can add a new theme just here, right? So if you want to add a new theme, come to theme and then say add new, right? So under add new, right, you're going to see two options. Option one is asking you to upload. Option two is listing out the different themes, free themes, of course, that are under WordPress that you want to use. Now, why will you use this option? You use this option most of the time when you already have the theme file, under your local computer, right? And the reason why you do this is because the themes that are here don't majorly work for the kind of website you want to create, right? So it's important that whatever you want to do, whatever you want to, whatever website you want to design, you know the kind of theme you want to use. So if it's not listed under this path, then it means you have to change. You have to go by the theme, right? And that's where that leads me to the second part of what I want to say, right? So there's a platform called Theme for. So guys, I would not advise you to use crap themes, right? So there are crap themes online that people buy and people use. It's actually unethical, right, to go ahead and pick a theme that a developer actually already worked on, and you say you want to buy that, and you say you want to get that for free. That's like an online theft if you don't know, right? So I would not advise you get a pro theme or a premium theme for free, right? Always buy your theme. Number one, to avoid any itches, because most of the themes also have malwares, they are bugged in them, right? And if you need the support of the theme developer, once you cannot provide the license code in which you use in purchasing the pro theme or the premium theme, they would definitely not help you, and they might even yank you off. So as much as you can, always purchase your theme, always buy your theme, right? So understand that so that you won't have any issues at all. So I'm just getting into this platform right now, and it's called, Theme Forest. I already said that. The link is going to be provided under the description, so you'll see that there. So here you have the sign in option, right? So I'm going to sign in. Of course, if you are new here, just come here and then create a new Envato account, right? Because Envato actually controls Theme Forest. So sign into your account, and then what we want to do now is to search for a theme that you want to buy, right? But then, because this is supposed to be like a practice, right? So you're not going to buy anything. I just want to show you how this whole thing works, right? So I'm going to take you to my theme download panel. I'll take you to my theme download panel, and I'll show you something that you need to see, right? So I purchased most of the themes that I use for my website, right? So I'm going to pick one of the themes here, and then we'll use it, as a practice for what we want to understand, right? So but if you haven't purchased a theme yet, so you can see all the themes that I have lots of them there, right? So if you haven't purchased the theme yet, what you're going to do is to go back to theme forest, right? So go back to theme forest. What is the kind? Remember when we're doing strategy and planning, right? I said you should research the kind of website you want to do, understand the research part of web design and all that. So if you know the kind of theme you want to design, or if you don't know, just come here and say something like shoe e-commerce theme. So then you search. So the system is going to pull out all the similar themes that are available based on the keyword that you have provided or keywords that you have provided for you. And they will also show you the price. So you can see this is 70 US dollars, right? So let's see how this looks. So what I just did was I just clicked preview and it redirected me here. So it's not a rocket science. So just get that. So this is how the website looks like. So we're going to go view the home page. So we have about, so you can see here we have about home page 1, home page 2, home page 3, so and they are showing us the preview, so I think we should just look at this and see the way it looks so that we can use it for what we want to use it for. Okay. Okay, so it's loading. Okay, so it's not loading now. So what we want to do basically is to scroll down, right? Scroll down and see. So imagine we want to create a website like this, for instance, right? So this kind of thing would work best for what we want to do. Okay, this kind of thing is going to work best for what we want to do. Okay, so that's how it works, right? So once you see the kind of thing you want, once you like it, once you love it, right? The next thing you now want to do is to order this thing, right? So when you order this thing, it's going to show under your download panel here, right? So order it, pay for it, it's going to show there. So when it shows, once it shows, you don't have any problem at all, right? So I'm going to download one of my themes for you for free, and I will show you how to actually install a theme. So you want to download all files and documentation, right? All files and documentation. That's what you want to download, okay? So download that and let's see. So it's downloading and let's give it a sec until it's done. Let's give it a sec until it's done. Okay, so it's just, I think it's a large file, and that's the reason why, and I'm using one of my laptops that are very um, low in terms of strength. So we'll just wait for it to load. And whilst it's loading, I think I should just explain a few things further, right? So the reason why you also would see that people would use, a premium theme, of course, is because the features there they are not. You can't find a free theme that meets your need most of the time, right? And because you can't find a free theme that meets your need, it's important and very pertinent that you kind of understand how to source for things and pay for it, right? Pay for it so you can have the kind of support that you want. Okay, so our theme is being downloaded, so let's give it a sec and get back to class in the next 2 minutes. So okay, so now that you've downloaded your file, the next thing you now want to do is to get straight to unzip the file, and then when you unzip the file, you're going to see this file inside. Whatever your file is, whatever zip folder they give to you, right? Unzip it. You're going to see this thing inside, and it works best. Most themes that come with a child theme normally like downloading with a zip file. So the kind of thing we're going to use, we're going to install this, right? So now let's get on board. Now there are two ways you can do that, right? You can either go back to your cPanel, right? Go inside your cPanel, upload the file inside your file manager, which I'm going to show you now, right, on how to do and how to go about that. Okay, so just give it a sec. We will get on board right now and show you that. Okay, so I don't know why the cPanel is not showing. Maybe we might just need to give it a 2 to 3 minutes or 1 minute interval to see if it's reloading. So just give it that time. So having done that, so the next thing you now want to do is to come here, like I said, and then you upload your theme, right? So come here, upload the theme, just choose the file that you want to upload. It's going to upload that theme for you directly, So let's just go there and do that so you can see that. Okay, so it's trying to upload, it's trying to upload, it's trying to upload. Just give it a sec. Okay, the laptop is just funny. Just give it a sec. Good. So come in here, pick the file from where it was downloaded, and you upload. Upload. Okay. So of course you now click install, right? So it's going to install the file for you, and that's all you need to do, right? So I've just shown you the second option on how to choose a theme, right? So it's going to upload now. Once it uploads, we're now it's going to unpack the zip and then directly to install for you without any delay. So let's wait for that. Okay, so you can see we've installed now. So basically that's what you need to do. So the next one you now need to begin to learn is go to your cPanel. So under your cPanel, go to your file manager, and under your file manager, you are going to see um, you're going to see where you will download. So I'm going to teach you that now. So under your file manager, you would see a part that's called your public underscore HTML, which is where your file usually would upload, right? So go inside and go inside your WP content, and then go inside your themes, right? So this theme is already here. So another way you can also upload the theme is to click this, all right? So upload theme. So we're going to upload another theme now so you can see what I am saying. So upload, no, let's upload the child theme since we already used the other option for this one, for the other ones. So you can see it's uploading now. It's uploading now. It's uploading now. It's uploading now. Okay, so those are the three ways, right? So once you're done, you can see that it's still a zip file. So you unzip it. To unzip, you're going to click the extract option. The extract option. So extract the files. All right. So reload it, and then you're going to see here. So you can see here that, let's go back to our theme page. You would see there that you only have two themes. So we want to check if this theme has been uploaded. This could change child. So let's go there and check if it has been uploaded. Okay, so it's loading. So let's just see what appears. So you can see that it's been uploaded. Can you see here? So basically, that's how to upload a theme. I've just shown you the three ways in which you can upload a theme. So see you in the next class. Thank you. Bye.